Alright, so we're going to try to do my first feeding video. This is the Haitian Brown Bird Eater. This one's not, this one's a little bit of a moody tarantula. My kingworm. It doesn't always like to feed in the bright lights either, so hopefully this goes well. We'll see what happens here. Oops. Yeah, this tea's been eating really well lately, so it may not take it. Or maybe. Maybe I should pick up the one that dropped on the floor. Here we got another one. We'll try it. Drop it right in front of him. Uh-oh. Just what I thought. As soon as I try to get it on film, somebody gets camera shy. Now I gotta fish out that other kingworm. Let's give it a second here, see what happens. Huh? No. I know if I try to put it closer, it'll just get mad. It's really defensive. It sometimes kicks hairs at me, so I try not to bother it too much. It's not interested. If I can fish it back out of here, the other one that buried itself. Maybe he'll take it if I... What are you gonna do? Usually it's a lot more exciting than that when I throw something in there. So, my first attempt looks like a failed attempt. Anyways, it's a nice spider. Nice to look at anyways. See if I can get a little bit of a close up here. Video detour. Might be on me. He's pretty big. I'm sure once I shut the camera off, she'll eat. And this spider, I'm gonna sex it when it molts, and maybe pair it up with a male or female, whatever it is. Anyways, my first attempt was a botch.